Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. I am home from vacation. Woo, it was fun. Okay, so let's talk about what we're going to do today because today is Tuesday. We have our 3-layer cake. First layer is routines. Second layer is basic weekly plan. Today is Tuesday. We have the basic weekly plan day of taking care of ourselves. It's our pamper day. And the third thing is our zones. But on free day, pamper day, I don't make you do zones. So it's two things, routines and personal day, personal mental health day, day for yourself, to pamper yourself, to have a free day. So we're going to do our routines. Let's get up. Everybody up, up, up. We're going to make our bed, brush our teeth, wash our face, put on our moisturizer. If you wear makeup, put it on, fix your hair real pretty, put on your clothes, a little jewelry, a little perfume if that's what you choose to do. Wipe out the sink, put your PJs away, swish the toilet. Bathroom looks tidy. Let's go to the kitchen. Empty the dishes from their rack or from the dishwasher. Make a little tea, a little coffee, a little breakfast. Take a breath. And now we're going to go wake the kids up or whomever you care for, and they're going to get up and make their bed, wash their face, brush their hair, put on their clothes, wipe out the sink, hang up their little towel, come to the kitchen and eat breakfast. That's a super simple thing. Now you can add 1 or 2 things into yours and theirs. A little chore, a little tiny thing, 3-minute thing, 5-minute thing. If you want to add some morning prayer, that's lovely. Go ahead and add that too. This is not prayer time. Routine is not prayer time or Bible study. If that's something you want to do, that is fantastic. But if you want to do it first thing in the morning, then you're going to go to bed an hour earlier so you can get up in the morning if you want to do an hour of Bible study or an hour of journaling and prayer or whatever. That will be on top of your morning routine. Because if you just do that and you don't do the morning routine, you're going to be frustrated all day. Like if you have to go to the office today and you know the dishes haven't been taken care of, the bathroom looks crummy, the kids were in a whirl going out the door, you couldn't find their shoes, etc. That means that you weren't in control in the morning. And by having that morning routine, you're going to be in control. Having the evening routine sets up the morning routine, so make sure you're doing that. We'll go over that in a minute. Okay, next thing we're going to do, if you're going to work, you're going to put this all out of your mind. And you're going to go to work. If that means getting in your car or taking the bus or carpooling or walking downstairs to the basement, doesn't matter. Whatever it is, you're going to focus on your job when you get there. You're not going to worry about your home or your children. Everything has been taken care of. You're going to be in the moment, and then on your breaks, which I encourage you to take, and your lunch hour, you can do things about the house if you need to. If you need to call someone, if you need to think about that weekly home blessing hour and how it's being split up, who's doing what this afternoon, then you can do that. Now today is our free day. So your at-home fly babies, at-home lions, and payroll lions, we are not going to do any zone work today. And we're going to do a little something for ourselves. So a payroll lion, you're going to think about, maybe you've stripped your bed on the weekend. Maybe on Monday you had the kids, wipe the glass, and today somebody's going to dust, but you're not going to do it. And when you get home, you're going to, because you're a parent, and this part never goes away, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, month after month, year after year, until your kids are gone, you're going to inspect what you expect, and you're going to do 3 clutter checks. 3 clutter checks. Make sure that it's staying tidy, but those are quick, especially if you do them regularly. You don't stop and start. It's like trying to get a running start, and then you get going, and then you stop, and now you have to get the running start all over again. So don't stop. Just do this nice, casual 3 clutter checks a day. Make it an effort. Make it not an effort. Make it a normal part of you that you inspect what you expect, so that your children don't have on mismatched socks, or that they did their homework, or that they put their laundry away, or that they cleaned the bathroom up after themselves, or that they did their weekly home blessing hour chore. That's a little teeny thing. You're not asking them to do hard things, right? Okay, that's it. Now, The other things we're going to do is laundry. We are going to do laundry today. At home FlyBaby, start yours first thing in the morning and go through an inch of paper. Payroll FlyBaby, start yours when you come home from work. Go through an inch of paper. Everybody makes supper. Payroll FlyBabies, during supper while your food is simmering, what can you do for yourself? Is there something you can do? Can you just rest? Is that what you want to do? Do you want to actually sit down with your feet up? Have you done that in a long time? Do you need to polish your toenails? Is there something you can do in 20 minutes or so while food is simmering or holding? Something for yourself. Maybe a facial, maybe a mask. There's something you can do. And then after that, after supper, everybody's going to do the after dinner routine. And then we have our before bed routine. And for you, remember what that is. You are inspecting what you expect. This is the end of the school year. Has everybody got everything they need? Is everything by the door? You got your last minute projects together? You're inspecting. Did you put those underpants in your drawer like I asked you to? Come in here. Look what you left here. You're not supposed to do that. Hang that up. Good job, right? That's what you're going to do. So the before bed routine, you're going to look at your planner. You're going to make sure that everything was done that you had wanted to do today, or you're going to move it till tomorrow. Now listen, don't do this right before you go to sleep because you might ruminate over it, and I don't want you to do that. Don't worry about it. I want this to be a release for you to put it on the paper and let it go. I see you, I have a plan for you, and I'm not going to worry about it. Tomorrow I'll do that. And when you wake up, we don't have a lot of things to do. We just have little things to do, right? Okay, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I want you to remember that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.